Hey guys, welcome to Shadow Street. Now, a little thing new on Shadow Street, I'm using my computer. I usually use a camera, so it's so blurry. I'm using my computer camera, so it's not going to be perfect. But I'm going to introduce you to a new member of our family. I know it's crazy. We have a new pet, but it's our little kitten. Her name's Tiger Lily. We call her Lily most of the time, though. She is a humongous, hyper cat. She's not humongous like that, but she has a lot of energy. But I'm starting to debate if she's a cat or a parrot. Let me show you why. Oh, she's looking at the camera. She never actually seen me record before. I usually do it outside, and this is why. She sits on our shoulders a lot. She does still need trained. We actually got her from somebody that didn't really want her, so we took her in as a kitten. We're not actually sure how old she is. We had her we got her, I think, the weekend right after Halloween. And man, I can't believe this. She started climbing on our shoulders all suddenly. She started with my stepdad, Matt, and then started doing it to everyone. Look at this. I don't know a cat who does this. And also, she likes water. I feel like all the weird animals just come to our house. It's the truth. It's the truth. And as you guys know from the other video, my mini zoo, I also have Harley, our other cat. So now we have 2 kitties. Well, except she's a cat, she's a kitten. But she is a great improvement of our family. Sorry, you probably hear the bird behind me. She talks when we talk. And if you put your arm out, look at this. She is a parrot. I really think she's a parrot. Except she has claws. It hurts a little. And back on the shoulder. But yeah, that's our parrot cat. Now, of course, she does get into a lot of trouble. Oh, want me to hold you again? She does get in a lot of trouble. She's a different kitten, definitely. She likes to play with our hair, and no playing with my hair. No playing with hands either. She attacks hands a lot. But she is another ball of energy. Welcome to our house, little one. And back on my shoulder. Yeah. But yeah, that's our pet update. Ow! Yeah, that just happened. I think I might be bleeding, but I'll see you guys next time, and bye! Me and Lily are editing! Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video.